This is Archetypal Trader. Today's date is the 20th of July 2021, and in this video I'm going to go over ADA and SNX, just concentrate on two different coins, and I'll pump out a few of these videos today. I'll try a different model, just concentrate on two altcoins in each video and try to keep them under 10 minutes. So if you like that platform, leave a comment, give us a like, and let's get into the charts. So I've got Cardano. This is the weekly chart, and like Bitcoin and Ethereum yesterday, we've broken out of this support at $1.31 from a weekly candle body perspective. We closed well beneath that, and then we're experiencing some further downside. It's the first time we've closed underneath the 50% retracement too from this cycle up thus far. Looking at the volume as well, we're really starting to break back down. From a weekly perspective, there's been a massive lull in volume, and with no volume, it's struggling to sustain price at these previous levels above $1.31. So yeah, we'll move over to the daily chart, and I'm just going to quickly adjust my volume. So I'm just adjusting my volume fib back down to the right level. So on the weekly, I'm going to get rid of this as well quickly. So I'll bring up Ichimoku on the daily for Cardano, and we got a bearish TK cross back on the 18th of July, and now we're really starting to come down and eat these previous wicks. We've got a level of $1.01 and $1 were these previous lows. Perhaps we'll come down and base off those, or we'll just move down lower, and that would probably introduce a lot more volatility in this market. Looking at the volume, we can see now on this 20 period moving average, the volume is starting to get down to levels below what we were in November, and price in November was obviously a lot lower. What were we had a we had a high of 9 cents back then. So yeah, there's a lot of volume coming out of the market. Also to note, we've finally got flushed out on the RSI. We haven't had these sorts of readings on RSI since September, so that's a positive sign. It's going to take a while to build some bullish divergence, so realistically, once we even intraday trade below $1, I'd probably expect a markdown in price, really. But this is good that we've getting down to oversold areas, but it's going to take a good chunk of time to build back up and perhaps have a counter trend rally up to higher prices. So yeah, that's Cardano on the daily. I'll just go over to the 4 hour and we can check out what Cardano looks like here. Yeah, since we came up to this $1.50 level, we've broken down, and we just continually just testing the Kijun and selling off, testing the Kijun and selling off, and we're just moving down. And as I mentioned on the daily, we've just got really this $1 area for some support. We've got no real bullish divergence or anything working here, and you can see all these nodes in the volume here are low, and now we are starting to see some higher volume come through, and that would most likely push price down further. So that's Cardano. Moving over to SNX. I'll just look at SNX on the weekly to begin with. I'll take off Ichimoku. So we had this This is just on Kraken, so I don't think Kraken has as much data as other exchanges, but I'll just leave it on Kraken for this video. I'll just change my fib to the 61.8. No, 88.6. So yeah, we've come down, we hit this level. We had a nice little bounce, counter trend rally up, which printed 100%. I participated in that, quite happy about it. And yeah, I took my profit there as well. And now we're just working our way back down. Again, it's probably at the 78.6. If I put a full fib retracement on the chart, yeah, we're sitting at 78.6. But yeah, this market's got a lot to do, really. You can see, yeah, the volume was massive here on the original move, and now we got this pretty big node come in here, though that's it's dissipating volume on the weekly. And yeah, it should be interesting to see if we can get a bounce off the $7.40 area. I'll just go over to the daily. So I'll delete those off and I'll start again. We can look at the Ikamoko. So yeah, we got this bounce off the 135 day count. It was 132 was a clear bottom, and then 135 was this bull fractal here, and we had this nice run up. Got a weak bullish TK cross because it happened underneath the cloud, and we've rallied up and we've come back down. We've given it all back, really. How much did that come back down? So it's come down 47% from its high, and I'll draw on a fib, and yeah, now we're back at this 78.6 level. So looking at the RSI, we failed to break above this 65 RSI area. We've got a nice surge of volume, but we're just coming back down. So yeah, this could make lower lows, really. You definitely, if you want to participate in this, I think I will have a crack. Not financial advice at all, but I think I will play this level, because you can see also that we're coming down and we've tested this this bull fractal, which is technically sound. I had mentioned that in a trading group I participate with, that bull fractal, and it's come down there fairly quickly. So yeah, there's some value there, but you'd definitely be using a stop loss, because this market, with Bitcoin just getting started moving to the downside and breaking the $31,000 level on a daily close, it's yeah, it's quite bearish across the market, across the crypto market. Let's go over to the 4-hour chart now. So yeah, we had that Kumo breakout back here. We moved up, and then we've come sliced straight through the Kumo again. So there would have been an actual bearish Kumo breakout here. Let's use the replay function for that. So I wasn't watching this at the time, had other things to do. But looking here, that would have been your sell signal. Yeah, I already got out at like $12, $11, so I wasn't really anticipating this. I wasn't looking at the 4-hour on SNX. I was more concentrated on leverage trading on Ethereum and Bitcoin. But this would have been your sell signal here, and see what price done. Come back, rejected at the Tinkinson, and we've moved down. So yeah, currently, yeah, if I had been participating in that trade, I'd probably be looking to definitely take some profits from that level. It's a decent move. Look at that, that's 22%. Kumo breakout on the 4 hour, but obviously 4 hours high octane sort of trading. But yeah, it's definitely a profitable trade. Coming back to this support level of the bull fractal, you'd imagine you'd definitely be taking some profit off that short. And yeah, moving down your stop loss, so your profit's protected. So yeah, not financial advice, but that's a quick wrap on Cardano and SNX. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. I'll pump out a few more videos, maybe AVE and some others using the same platform. Enjoy your day.